Hello, this is John Longcroft-Neal. You might know this Nuneaton landmark as the Dandelion Fountain, but in fact it's called the Rowan Fountain, and it was voted Roundabout of the Year in 2016. This is just one of the many distinctive roundabouts in Nuneaton, and you might well think there are so many of them, why doesn't somebody photograph some of the roundabouts and make them into a calendar? Better still, photograph them at twilight with all the twinkling lights and take the photographs from the air. Then you can put them all together in a charity calendar and sell them to support, let's say, the local air ambulance service, which also happens to be Jeff Clark, the Mayor of Nuneaton and Bedworth's chosen charity this year. Well, that's exactly what I've done, and here it is. And now it's on sale at the Cafe Lounge opposite Wilco's in town and just round the corner at the Air Ambulance charity shop. It's also for sale at Nuneaton Horticultural, the lawnmower and gardening equipment supplier at the Coton Arches roundabout. It's also on the counter at E-Plus, the home improvement specialist, Veasley Close, Attleborough Fields Industrial Estate. The current price is £9.99, with the profit from the sale all going to the air ambulance service. The initial print run is just 50 copies, but if more sponsors come forward, I can easily add more names to the list on the front. So, don't miss out on this unique chance to either buy or sponsor this very special charity calendar, supporting the Mayor's charity, the Air Ambulance. My email address is in the notes below, and please contact me for more details. Thank you.